Okay, question number 2. Light of wavelength 400 nanometers, which means lambda is given to you, is incident on two slits separated by a distance of 1000 microns. So, incident on two slits separated, which means what? Slit distance d is given to you. Interference pattern from the slit is observed from a satellite orbiting 0.4 megameters, which means what? This is your capital D given to you. Distance between the interference maxima. What is distance between interference maxima? Which is nothing but beta, right? What is the formula? Formula is equal to beta is equal to lambda into capital D by small d. Let us substitute all this direct answer. So this should be 400 into 10 power minus 9 multiplied by capital D is 0.4 million is 10 power 6 divided by small d 1000 microns. 1000 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So just calculate this 400 into 0.4. 4 4s are 16 and this should be 160. 160 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 9 plus 6 minus 9 plus 6 and here it is plus 3 minus 6. It should be minus 3, right? So divided by 10 power minus 3, which should be 160 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. This and this goes away. So you get this as 160 meters, which is nothing but 160 meters we have, 0.16 we have no. So this should be 0.16 kilometer. Thus the right answer is 0.16 kilometer, which is B. Okay.